Hello, how to solve for m from this nice Math Olympiad problem. 5 raised to power m minus 3 raised to power m is equal to 544. Solution. 5 raised to power m minus 3 raised to power m is equal to 544. Then from here, let a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Therefore, a raised to power m minus b raised to power m will be equal to 544. Then also, let a square is equal to 5 square. This is equal to 25. And b square is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. Therefore, a square minus b square, this is equal to 25 minus 9. A square minus b square will be equal to 16. Let's call this equation star. Then also a square plus b square is equal to 25 plus 9. A square plus b square is equal to 25 plus 9, that is 34. Let's call this equation double star. Now let's find the prime factor of 544. That is 544. If you divide by 2, we have 272. If you divide by 2, we have 136. And if you divide by 2, we have 68. Then if you divide by 2, we have 34. And if you divide by 2, we have 17. Then here's divided by 17. We have 1. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by 17. Therefore, 544 will be equal to 2 raised to power 5 multiplied by 17. And this can also be written as 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 17. And this is equal to 2 raised to power 4 is 16 multiplied by 70 times 2, that is 34. Therefore, a raised to power m minus b raised to power m will be equal to 16 multiplied by 34. Now, by reverse engineering method, we have a square minus b square is equal to 16, and we know that a square plus b square is equal to 34. And here we have a raised to power m minus b raised to power m is equal to 16 multiplied by 34. Let's substitute for this. A raised to power m minus b raised to power m will be equal to 16 is a square minus b square multiplied by 34 is a square plus b square. A raised to power m minus b raised to power m is equal to, this can be expressed as a square bracket a square plus b square minus b square bracket a square plus b square. So a raised to power m minus b raised to power m now will be equal to, from here we have a raised to power 4 plus a square b square minus b raised to power 4 minus b square a square. Then this will cancel this, a raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. Or alternatively, a raised to power m minus b raised to power m is equal to a square minus b square multiplied by a square plus b square. Then this is equal to a square square minus b square square. And you know that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm, then this can be written as a raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 minus b raised to power 2 multiplied by 2. This is equal to a raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. Therefore, a raised to power m minus b raised to power m is equal to a raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. And if you look at this, you can, if you compare the exponents, m is equal to 4, and this is the final answer. So let's confirm. We have 5 raised to power m minus 3 raised to power m is equal to 544. Then when m is 4, we have 5 raised to power 4 minus 3 raised to power 4 must be equal to 544. Now 5 raised to power 4 is 625 minus 3 raised to power 4 is 81, must be equal to 544. Now let's see, 625 minus 81, this is 544, is equal to 544, which satisfies the given equation at m is equal to 4. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step: like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.